Hey guys, I hope you're all doing well. Today I want to show you a really exciting new product that just hit the market. So far it's doing very, very well, and I'm really excited to show you guys this. So anyhow, listen, it's Fitz here again, and let's get started. So the product I want to show you guys today, it's something called Seaside Profits. Seaside Profits is as you can see from the sales page here, it's a complete done for you system. It gives you everything you need to create thousands per month in, in passive monthly income. Now, that's a tall order. It's saying a lot, but from all reports, it is living up to its name. So listen, um, what do you get in this product? It says here it gives you everything you need to create a life-changing passive income. It's a never before released method. Again, like most of these products, admittedly, they tell you no prior experience or technical skills needed, and this product does follow those lines. You really don't need any technical skills. It's got all the step-by-step training, and it also comes with two done for you recurring income funnels. These are two funnels that you can just you use and start making some money. Yeah. Now, you don't only get the funnels. Look, it says here, and quite true, you get four viral traffic methods included. Now, for the price of this entire package, yeah, the cost is, I mean, just for this four viral traffic methods, it's more than worth it. So, guys, really, you need to get your hands on this, huh? Four viral traffic methods that you can use, and these are just plug and play. All right, so it's just got a proven method for making passive income online. Okay, and it takes minutes to set up and start making money. Now, somewhere along here, I saw it. It did say that it takes about 10 minutes to set up. Now, 10 minutes. I won't go with that. It may very well take 10 minutes to set up, but if you're a newbie and all of that, give yourself half an hour, maybe an hour. I think if it takes you an hour to set this up, that's brilliant. No problems there. So don't bank on that 10 minutes and that kind of thing. Just minutes to set up. Yeah. Um, it says here that gives you the exact method that Fergal used to automate his income. Now, Fergal is the gentleman who created this system. Fergal Downes, he's well known in the internet marketing scene. He has been around for a while, and he is very successful. He actually lives somewhere in the coast, on the coast in Spain, and that is actually why this product is called Seaside Profits, because he actually makes a living while being a, I don't know, maybe a vagabond on the beach or something like that. But that's what the guy does, and he makes money. So hey, um, we can't argue with that. Now it says here you got a 30-day money back guarantee. So if for some reason you're not happy with the product, feel free to send in a request for a refund, and you get your refund. So don't worry about that. Now here we have some testimonials, I think, a little further down. Okay, yeah, the answers in passive income. You can see here. Why, I'll let you guys check all of that out once you get the product, because listen guys, you got to get this product. There's no maybe about it, huh? So let's go down. Why passive income is ultimate job killer. Okay, you can read that. um, Unfortunately, most online marketers find themselves working 20, 30, or even 40 hours every single week. Now, if you are generating passive income, you don't really need to be working all those hours. It's basically what it's telling you here. Um, okay, so these are the gentlemen that are responsible for this product. The four Irishmen. So Fergal here is the creator of the product. Aidan, who I know, he is one of the guys that I work with as well. He's also on board with this. And Noel, I don't really know, but hopefully through this product, I'll get to know a little bit more about him. But I can tell you, Aidan, he's a good guy. Fergal, I haven't worked with him before. This is the first time that I'm promoting any of his products. But from all reports, I have been in contact through Facebook and stuff like that. So yeah, these are real guys. This is what I'm trying to say to you. These are not made up people. These are real guys. Yeah, and they have been in the industry for a while, so it's not like they're new on the scene and they're just trying to push something over on you. All right. Okay, some reasons why you should start online, blah blah. You can go through there, and some of Fergal's testimonies and stuff like that. Feel free to go through that. One of the things I want to show you, let's go down to the bottom here. Oops. Let's, where is it? Let's move down, 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 down. Bear with me for a little minute. Okay, introducing Seaside Profits. It says here, it's again, it's complete system, generating passive income. And why we call it Seaside Profits, like I was saying to you, it's because Fergal lives on the beach somewhere, it's bumming around, but making a lot of money. And that's what he wants to share with you as well. He wants to share with you his secrets, how he can afford to live on the beach somewhere in Spain or wherever the hell it is, and make a lot of money. True passive income. Once you set the system up, then, as they say, Bob's your uncle. So there you go. Or in this case, Fergal's your uncle. Yeah, guys, I was telling you about the viral traffic methods. There's something I wanted to show you. So, like this 4 traffic methods, like it says here, can be a standalone course on its own, and it's well worth the money that you're going to be paying for this product, which, by the way, is quite low. Okay, now, so what it teaches you how to start getting traffic today. It includes free traffic methods that make it easy to make money without needing to invest in traffic. Once you turn these traffic methods on, they are designed to increase and go viral over time without any additional efforts on your part. Now, you're taught how to do all of this step by step, so don't worry about that. These traffic methods are battle tested and fully proven to work. Now, these methods are what Fergal himself used, so he knows that it's working, and this is why he's presenting it here to you. Although these traffic methods are perfect for the method we cover inside Seaside Profits, you can use these to send hot viral traffic to anything you're promoting. So these traffic methods are not simply for Seaside Profits. You can promote anything you wish. Okay. You get also 2 done for you funnels. I mentioned that a little bit earlier on. So you get these 2 funnels that you can start promoting right away. You have the funnels that you can start with. You got the traffic. All you need to do is set the thing up, and like I said, maybe 30 minutes, 40 minutes, whatever, and you're on your way. Okay, so here it says there are 3 steps to making passive income with Seaside Profits. Step 1, you use the step-by-step video training to set up the included done for you funnels. Then you activate one of the 4 viral traffic methods. They say activate one of the methods. So the best thing to do here is to start with one. You start with that one traffic method and you master it, and then you move on to another one. Yeah, don't jump around. Okay, that's how people lose interest, and then they say this thing's not working and all that kind of crap. Stick with it. Go through step by step. Okay, and step 3, enjoy your passive income. Now, who doesn't want to do that? Really, come on. So you can quickly scale up to over $1,000 a month in 30 days. And here's some reasons why Seaside Profit is different than other passive income courses, because you're going to see a lot of courses out there, a lot of passive income stuff out there, but this is different, and it explains to you here why it is different. Let's keep going down. More profits. That okay. Now, what will you do with the passive income you're making? You can pay your bills, you can put money in the bank, you can go on vacation, you can buy a car, buy a house, whatever your heart desires. So it's up to you guys. Yeah, so stuff about Virgo. Newbies are loving Seaside Profits. You see it, the thing is working. Yeah, people who have had no experience or they are making money with this system. Okay, you can see the testimonials here, and you can get it right now and save a lot of money. Okay, so guys, there are some bonuses involved here, and these are really good bonuses. Elite buyer traffic. Do you know that traffic is king, and not just any old traffic? You need targeted quality buyer traffic, and you're getting some bonus here. Tell you how to get that. Ultimate bot opt-in. Now this is brilliant. I actually use this, and this is something that Aidan has set up, and he's actually set up for me. So guys, I can vouch for this. Please, you need to get this system. Don't mess about. Go in and get this system, really. Okay. Bot traffic again. Facebook bot traffic. Yeah. Emoji traffic. Super solo traffic. You see there's lots of bonuses in there, guys. 6 bonuses. So there's a lot more you're getting for the money that you're spending, which is, like I said, pennies. And here again, it says you get a refund. There's a no risk 30-day money back guarantee. So what do you have to lose? You get the product, you try it out for a while. Just make sure that if you want your money back, you don't like it, you ask for a refund before the 30 days. It's simple as that. And it's the same for any product. Okay. Why do you need to get Seaside Profits? The price is going up soon, guys. So you see on the top of the sales page here, there's a counter. So when that runs out, the price goes up. So don't wait. Get the thing now. You're getting a complete system, easy to follow training, multiple traffic methods, to done for you recurring income funnels. This is great stuff, guys, and it's proven stuff. You get over $500 in bonuses for free, and like I said, I am using those bot traffic stuff, so I know it's good. This is why I'm telling you, go get this product. Okay, you have your money, your guarantee, your 30-day money back guarantee, and of course, the sooner you get the product, the sooner you start making money. So guys, get on it now. Okay, here's a recap of everything you get: the Seaside Profits, viral traffic, done for you funnels. You get all these bonuses, and you see it's over $1,000 worth of bonuses you get here. So guys, yeah, this is a great product. Look here, it tells you it's a frequently asked questions, explains more about the product, the step-by-step approach, what you get. So guys, listen, this is a no-brainer. I am really encouraging you guys, not because I'm promoting the product. It's because it's a good product. So please go out, get the product, and let's start making some passive income. Okay, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. So click the button, click any once you click the button below, the link, sorry, I'll put a link there where you can go in and get this product. So click on there. Also, please, if you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe, so that when I do additional reviews, you will be notified on that kind of thing. I will keep doing some more reviews, and also I will hopefully do another video on Seaside Profits a little later on to let you know how it's doing and that kind of thing. So it's now left up to you to click the link below or somewhere on this video, get the product, and start making some passive income. All right. So catch you next time. Take care and be safe.